Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's look at this exponential radical equation. Alright, so we have 7th root of what is here? 5 raised to 16 plus 5 raised to x on 5 raised to x plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. Okay, so first thing to do here is to remove this root sign here. Okay, now in case you have, let's say, root x equals to 5, to remove the root sign you have to square both sides in order to get rid of the square root here. All right, so we have 7th root here. So what do? So we can take or raise both powers by 7. Okay, so when we do that, this one will cancel the root sign. So I'm left with 5 exponent 16 plus 5 raised to x on 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to 2 equals to 5 raised to 7. All right. Okay, so we can do cross multiplications. We can make this side over 1. So 1 times this, that 5 exponent 16 plus 5 exponent x. Then this one will multiply this. So we have 5 raised to 7 times, I'm using bracket for multiplication. So we have this, very simple. Okay, so let me focus on the right hand side since I have to multiply through. Okay, so this one is the same as 5 raised to x, okay, times 5 raised to 7. So we can use indices, okay. So when you multiply, you can add the powers. So there's a multiplication. Then times that to be 5 to the power 9. Okay. All right. So what do you find in common here? So we have numbers with variables, then that is numbers with the powers being variables, then those without variables. So let's see if we can group them. So we have 5 raised to 16 minus 5 raised to 9. So we are sending this one to this side. So let's maintain this on the right, plus 7. Then let's bring this 5 raised to x. Okay. All right. So we want to do something here. Now we have 9 here. So can we adjust this so that we get 9 here? Yes. We have x here. Can we get x here? Yes, of course. So we know 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay. So in indices, a raised to n plus m. Okay. The same as a to the power n times e to the power m. Okay. So with this, 16 is the same as 9 plus 7. So I can rewrite this one as 5 to the power 9. Okay. Plus 7 minus 5 to the power 9. equals to 5 to the power x plus 7 equals minus 5 to the power x. Okay. Now let's use the same property to simplify this. So this one is the same as 5 to the power 9 times, it is 9, 5 to the power 7 minus 5 to the power 9. And this side is the same as 5 raised to the power x times 5 to the power 7 minus 5 to the power x. Okay, so let's look at it very carefully. Now, when we observe the left hand side, we could see that 5x plus 9 is common, and therefore we can factorize, we can take it out. So we have 5 raised to 9 bracket 5 to the power 7 minus 1 equals to, and we can do same to the right hand side, 5 raised to x, 5 raised to 7 minus 1. Okay, there is something in common here. Let's observe. So this one will cancel this. I will have it 5 raised to 9 equals 5 raised to x. Therefore, 9 is the same as x. So my x is 9. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Right.